Experiencing rapid battery drain on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Many users report issues with both the earbuds and the charging case. This problem often stems from lithium ion battery degradation, firmware bugs, or charging case malfunctions. Key factors include temperature fluctuations, overcharging, and software inefficiencies from features like active noise cancellation. The MagSafe charging case can also experience sensor issues leading to ghost charging where power is wasted. The latest firmware, version 7B35, released in June 2025, addresses some issues with battery efficiency optimizations and bug fixes for rapid discharge. However, persistent problems, particularly with the MagSafe charging case, may indicate hardware defects that need professional attention. Start by ensuring your AirPods Pro 3 are running the latest firmware version 7B35 or later. Check this through Bluetooth settings on your paired iOS device. If firmware is up to date, force reset your AirPods by placing them in the case, opening the lid, and holding the setup button for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. Clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the charging case with a soft, dry cloth to ensure proper electrical connection and prevent charging issues. Avoid exposing your AirPods to extreme temperatures or overcharging, as these accelerate battery degradation. Store at 50 to 70% charge in cool environments. Use Apple's support forums or diagnostics tools to check battery health and cycle counts. The iOS battery health feature can provide accurate cycle information. If a hardware defect is confirmed, Apple offers free replacements under warranty. For persistent case charging failures, contact Apple support immediately. Class action lawsuits are emerging in the US and EU over premature battery failure.